Discover NAB Show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas. So Robert, here we are, day one, NAB. How are you feeling about the show?
I'm already exhausted.
And it's day one. That's a good sign.
It's going well. It's going very well. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So talk to me about Marshall. How are you positioned in the broadcast and media industry?
I would say we're a company that provides a solution to most applications as far as video capture. We have a bunch of accessories. We have a bunch of controllers that will help to control our cameras and also be able to implement them into existing systems. So I think we're very well positioned in the industry to help a lot of our users integrate different products with our own products. Yeah.
What are you seeing happening in terms of trends in the industry with regard to your technology, and what are you doing to meet the needs and demands of those trends?
It's a great question. I think right now the trend is everybody likes to stream. Everybody likes to send things over the cloud. And I think a lot of our new products are implementing network connections so you can tie them into your systems and still have the ability to control all these cameras and equipment that can easily integrate into existing systems, like I mentioned earlier. But I think that's kind of the way it's going. Everything is network connectivity, if I should say it like that. So I think it's a good thing. Everything is becoming quicker. Everything's available faster. So I think that's a good thing for everybody.
I can see that you have a couple of new products here on the stand this year. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Absolutely. So this year at NAB 2025, we are introducing our RCP Plus. The RCP Plus is a spin-off of our previous version that was only RS-485. The new unit now has a VISCA connection. So you can do a combination of VISCA, standard RS-485, or VISCA over IP. We have 10 pages you can load cameras to. So you can do a total of 70 cameras. That's 70. So I think that's really a good feature to have if you have an existing system and you need to tie in more cameras later on. This gives you that flexibility to add more cameras to the controller, and you can paint and adjust them as needed.
I believe you also are showcasing a new camera here this year as well. Tell us about that.
Absolutely. It's our introduction back into the zoom block industry. We have a 27 times zoom IP camera. You can do 3G, you can do network connections, and you can do HDMI. You have RS-232 in and out. And it's a really good camera that has very good optics, 27 times zoom, and very easy to use and very easy to tie into your existing system.
And who are these for, and what are the future use perspective cases?
Absolutely, yeah. I think a lot of these companies that are out there will like to see these kind of products implemented into sports applications, house of worship, even courthouses, and something where they need to monitor, let's just say, a case or view a witness or a judge. I think these are cameras that are really good for concerts as well. Anything that's related to video capture. Events, I think it's endless at this point. You can pretty much implement them anywhere.
Any other updates that you want to share with us right now?
Marshall has been around for 40 years, and we continue to innovate. We continue to be a leader in the industry. And for more information on our website, you can go to marshall-usa.com and find out everything we're doing and all the cool stuff that we have available now.
Very exciting stuff. Thank you so much, and enjoy NAB.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.